these fuck ass industry niggas, man. Nigga, we been doing this shit since 95.
Last time I checked, I was the man on these streets. They call me residue, I leak blow on these beats. Got diarrhea flow, now I shit on niggas. Even when I'm constipated, I still shit on niggas. Let's get it. Got some super friends in the league. I'm an affiliate, I know it mean I'm a hater like you. Fuck my wrist mean, nigga sneak this. And that ain't how we play. No, fuck with mine, get your drummer like a DJ. R that I'm holding got a gangster grill. Went from old school Chevys to Beamer coupes. Got 100 niggas whipping everybody.
Jeezy.
What up?
Where you at?
Shit, I'm in the hood. Where you think I'm at, man? Shit.
You still coming over?
Hey, man, what I told you earlier, man, I'll be through there, man.
I've been waiting for you since you left me.
That's how you feel?
Red dogs hit my trap, got me for a hat song. Been trapping all day, can't wait to get home. In the bed, she ain't got no panties on. Soon as I hit the door, she already know my song. 2 logs, 2 shots of Patron, straight through the scabbard loose. Stack in the song,